You've probably seen those little reflective bumps on the road that seem to glow when your headlights hit them. Those are called cat's eyes, and they play a big role in keeping drivers safe, especially at night or when the weather is bad. They're named after real cat eyes because they reflect light in a similar way, shining back at you when headlights hit them in the dark. It's a clever and simple way to help drivers see the road better. Cat's eye reflectors come in different colors. Each color has a specific use. Color white is used for lane or edge markings. Yellow divides opposing traffic or the far side of one-way roads. Red indicates areas closed to traffic. Blue marks nearby fire hydrants. Green indicates emergency access to gated communities. The invention of cat's eye road reflectors has significantly improved road safety by enhancing visibility and lane guidance, especially in low light and poor weather conditions. These simple yet effective devices help drivers stay in their lanes, recognize road edges, and respond to warnings. Using standardized colors, cat's eyes provide clear, intuitive visual cues that reduce accidents and save lives.